Frost is coming, but don't panic. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to protect your plants from freezing nights, and extend your growing season by multiple weeks. First, water your plants well, during the day before a frost. Moist soil holds heat better than dry soil, and that little bit of warmth can make a big difference overnight. Next, add a thick layer of mulch, such as straw, leaves, or wood chips, around your plants. It keeps the roots insulated, and helps them stay warm longer. When the sun sets, cover your plants with old sheets, towels, or frost cloths. Just make sure the cover touches the ground to trap heat, and don't let plastic touch the leaves, as it can actually make them freeze faster. For extra protection, place a jug of warm water, or a small garden light under the cover. It acts like a mini heater, and can raise the temperature just enough to save your plants. Or if your plants are in pots or containers, you can bring them indoors before the frost hits. Just remember to check for bugs first, so you don't bring pests inside. Place the plants near a bright window, to keep them growing. When the weather warms up again, you can move them back outside. In the morning, once the frost is gone, remove the covers, so your plants can breathe, and get sunlight again. If you want long-term protection, try using cold frames, or mini greenhouses, and focus on frost-tolerant crops, like kale, spinach, and carrots. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, share it, and subscribe.